In the previous lesson, we went through the outline for this course and briefly discussed the concept of structured data. In this lesson, we'll explain the concepts of structured and unstructured data in greater detail and learn how Excel differs from other applications in its approach to structured data. Companies often have information of interest spread across multiple tables. In this case, the tables will combine to form a data model or database. The data model will define what information is stored in each table, as well as how all of the tables relate to each other. We'll learn more about these concepts in our later lessons on databases. Structured data is data that has a clearly defined format, allowing it to be organized and analyzed with relative ease. For example, a table of data recording sales figures for the last 12 months would be structured data. Unstructured data can't be easily categorized. The most common example of unstructured data is text data such as email contents or Word documents. Compiling and searching through text data like this is much more difficult than the structured tables we saw previously. Historically, businesses aim to store their data in structured formats. However, unstructured data is becoming increasingly common. With modern technology, it's easier than ever for companies to collect data and cheaper than ever to store it. As a result, the amount of unstructured data collected by companies is constantly growing. In fact, it's often companies that exploit modern technology that collect the most unstructured data. Consider a social network like Facebook. Some of the data they collect is structured, such as a list of someone's friends or the pages they like. However, much of their data is unstructured, such as posts people write and pictures people upload. For Facebook, generating analytical insights from this unstructured data is key to delivering value to users and advertisers. When you use advanced data analysis applications like Tableau, Power BI, or Alteryx, data must be stored in a structured tabular format. If you're familiar with Excel, you might notice that it works slightly differently. While you can format Excel data in a neat tabular format, there's nothing to stop you from laying out your data in a less structured manner. So in that sense, Excel allows structured data, but does not demand it. Most data you'll encounter will be a mix of structured and unstructured data. Let's say you're surveying customers to find out what they think of a specific product. Most of the questions will return structured data. For example, you might ask them to rate various features from 1 to 10. However, the final question might be a comment box allowing users to write whatever text they want. These responses will be unstructured data. In this case, the last question might be the most valuable of all, as customers may point out issues that you hadn't previously thought of. However, to analyze the responses, you'll need to find some structure in them. This will make it easier to analyze and interpret answers to help better understand your business. We'll consider how to go about this in a later lesson. For now, we'll end the lesson here. Now that we know what structured and unstructured data are, we'll consider how to obtain data for use in business projects in the next lesson.